Hey everybody, we are on the road. We are in just outside of Durango, Colorado. Had a little bit of a mess up on the rear drawer. Had all our gear, bike stuff. The rollers that I got, the actual ball bearing sliders that attach to the drawer, weren't up to snuff for the weight that we had back there. I would guess each box is probably 65 pounds fully loaded, and I don't think the sliders were rated to that. So our first big project on the bus while on the road is going to be taking those out and coming up with something else. So check it out. We are Zach and Rachel, the Okienomads. We are hikers, cyclists, athletes, and explorers. We grew tired of the 9-to-5 and are choosing to live life on our own terms. So we bought a school bus, got married, gutted the school bus, and began building it into a sustainable, tiny house on wheels. With little to no building experience and a little bit of luck, we plan to quit our jobs, sell most of our belongings, and leave our home state of Oklahoma to travel the American West. We hope you will follow along, as the next season in our lives is sure to be an adventure. That's fun. Alright, here's the culprit right here. As you can see, that dude is completely fried. It's bowed out right here. There's no chance of saving that one, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those out. Alright, so now that we got the sliders out, I'm going to go ahead and cut up this 2x4 that we just picked up at Home Depot in Durango and cut it to size so that it'll fit for the top shelf. We're just going to make it to where it slides out on itself, and I think it'll be fine for what we need. Alright, so now all we're going to do is just line these up with where the old screw holes were and put them in place of the sliders. Interrupt your regularly scheduled programming. I have to season some steaks before we get ready for dinner, which is about to happen next after I fix these drawers. So you're going to have to watch that for a second. Also, while we're in here, if you have not subscribed yet to our friends over at Rolling Vistas, go check them out. They have an awesome full size that they're building out in Colorado, and it is cool. They are just starting out, and it is sweet. So go subscribe to their channel, check it out. We just swapped stickers with them. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go do it. Like a glove, right?
Oh,
sweet. Alright, so here's the finished product. Obviously not beautiful, but it works 1,000 times better than the old one did. And nothing should break. 2x4s are pretty solid. So, the big drawer on the bottom just sits on the ground, and that gives us more room for other stuff right here in the front. So there it is, our first project on the road with the bus. We're gonna go move our bus to another campsite because some guy just left and it's a better spot. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.